Hello everyone. In my last video, I have told you about how the students and kids are scared about maths. They don't want to do maths. But believe me, whenever they will learn the tricks, they will enjoy the fun, how to do the calculations. They will understand maths and they will enjoy to do the maths. Now, in my last video, I have told you the tables are the just basics to do any calculations faster. In that video, I have told you about how to write the tables of two digits. But multiplications, there are so many interesting facts about the multiplication. As everybody knows, nine's table is so interesting. When you write any multiple of 9, it's all the sum of these digits becomes 9. So multiplication also, as in our daily life, happiness grows when we multiply and when grows and grows. So here today I have brought you about, you know, three digits multiplication with the three-digit number. Everybody is well about uh, knowing this. The fact when we write the numbers, we follow the pattern that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s, right? So here also, when we have to multiply the three-digit numbers with the three-digit numbers, we follow the pattern, which calls anti-clockwise the pattern. So this is the way. See, you have to multiply with the first ones numbers, then you have to do ones and tens, then you're moving to the hundreds, then you're moving to the again the only the tens and hundreds which becomes thousands, and then only the last digit number single which you have to multiply. This is the chart which I have made. So any number you can take and you can do the multiplication faster. See here, I have taken a number 423 into 315. So how we are going to multiply and how we will be writing in the answers in the way we are showing here. This is the normal method which we follow ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. See here, I have told you first we have to do with the 3 and 5, right? So that means 3 fives are 15. But I'm not going to write 15 as it is, as in each calculations, we write only 5 and the 1 will left behind for the next number, right? So next is we are moving to the 23 and 1 5. So here we are following the pattern that is cross multiplying, which means 5 twos are 10 plus 3 ones are 3, 13 and carry forward which comes 14. So we will be not be writing 14, we will writing only 4 and which will be left behind as a carry forward, which will be left behind here 1. 1 will be left behind for that. We are moving to the third step. Third step means 423 into 315. Here you have to do cross multiply for all. That is 5 fours are first 20, then 3 threes are 9, then 2 ones are 2, which becomes 29 plus 2 31 plus 1 32, which becomes 32, right? So here again this one goes and we will be writing as 2 as the number and 3 will be left for the next carry forward. Now in the fourth step, we are taking only tens and hundreds, that is like this. So again cross multiply, 4 ones are 4 plus 3 twos are 6, which becomes 10 plus 3, which comes 13, right? So 13 comes, so we will be writing 13 here and the one again will be left behind for the carry forward. Now in the last and the fifth step, we are taking only the numbers which are at the hundreds place. That is 3 fours are 12 plus 1, which becomes 13. So we don't have to take it, any carry forward. We are writing 13 as it is. So this number becomes 1,33,245. See, in the one step, I have told you very slowly, slowly. So it took so much of time. When you will be doing practice, you will be becoming wonders in maths. I'm sure that practice makes a man perfect. And if you will practice, you will love it. So I hope I have cleared and I have make you understand this concept very nicely. So if you like it, I hope you like it. And if you like it, so please share and subscribe our channel. So we will be bringing nice videos and other more tricks to solve the calculations faster. This is especially for that parent who has requested to do the multiplication for the 3 digits so that their kids can be busy in this time and they will be learning a new thing. Thank you so much for giving so much of love and liking our video so nicely. Thank you so much.